Hi guys, I have flu, but we have to record this one. So remember we did this flyer for Mother's Day. So if you guys remember what I've taught at the last workshop for the designing, you go and you choose a template that fits the theme nicely. Remember, you go to templates, you search, in this case I quickly searched Mother's Day. I said Mother's Day flyer, or you can say Mother's Day poster, but I just prefer to say flyer. So then I looked through the templates. As you can see, there's many. So remember, the theme was we have a Mother's Day service and we must create a poster for Mother's Day without using pictures, just the neutral Mother's Day picture. Guys, you're gonna have to excuse me. I'm sick. I have flu and I'm sure you can hear. So my voice is a bit different. I'm just recording this because I know if I don't record now, we'll never come back here. So yeah, we got this, and remember I'm using the Pro. If you're not using the Pro, you'll see with this logo, you have to use options like this that doesn't have that logo that shows. So, but then in this case, I liked this one. Felt like it stood out. Didn't specifically like this one. It's giving ChatGPT. Others are cute-ish, but they're not really popping, if you know what I mean. So remember the lesson. Choose something that fits the theme and fits the theme well. It's for what? It's for church. And it's a what? It's a service celebration design. It's not a branch where you can just go and choose a cute. You can't use this for church. Like, think about the event. Don't forget I said that. So this popped out a bit, so I came here. Then I said customize, and yes, so I changed this. I moved things around, I deleted some things, and I did this. So yes, this was our design, one of the options for the designs. So yes, edit some of my things, move this to the center, edit the church logo, address and everything. So yes, that's how we got this template and edited it, moved it around to fit our theme. So did nothing much there, just edit where's the original, just changed the color of this, moved everything to the center, and then moved the date, this date portion. Be careful which layer you're choosing. So I moved this layer down, didn't like these flowers, I deleted them, reused this for my poster. I just moved this to the center. I didn't do much, as you can see. But if I want you for homework to try and do that, go to this template and please change it to the service poster that was approved. There, that's your homework. Switch things around or just play around with anything so that I see that you remember how to customize a template. And yes, I haven't forgotten. I'm gonna record how to do the template. Now I'm referring to the people who were there physically. So Now I'm getting to the part of pictures for the service. So now I open my Lightroom